Hello, welcome to Madeline Korea's cooking channel, Madeline Korea's kitchen, and today I'm going to make vegetable pulao. Okay, to begin with, I will heat the vessel. The vessel is hot. Now this is the spoon I'm using. This is ghee. Okay, these are the two I've used. Let the ghee get hot. These are the dry masalas. This is the bay leaves, just a few. Cardamom, 3. A few cinnamon sticks. Peppercorns. These are cloves. And this is sajira, called caraway seeds. Okay, the ghee is hot. Now I will put it in the the vessel is hot, the ghee is hot, the dry masala will fry. Now I am putting in, these are 3 to 4 green chilies which are sliced. This is 1 big onion. Stir it till it becomes translucent and onion loses its raw flavor. Then 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Keep stirring. Ginger garlic paste should lose its raw flavor. Fry nicely. These are 3 cups of raw rice, basmati chawal, basmati rice. I soaked it for 15-20 minutes, strained the water, washed it thoroughly, and now I'm going to put in this and fry it. Fry it nicely. Now, as the rice is being fried, I want to show you what vegetables I'm using. These are all vegetables that I had in my house, little bit. 1 cup of finely chopped carrots, 1 cup of peas, fresh peas these are, and this is a little, half of a small cauliflower. So these are the 3 vegetables I'm going to use. Now this is the salt, little more I put, because I'm going to put vegetables in this. That's it. And these all vegetables are washed, okay, in 2-3 waters. Fold in the peas, the carrots. This also I soaked it in salt water and washed it, and then ready to cook. Stir it. Now lift yourself. Now I am pouring in the hot boiling water, and I will tell you how much of water I have used. Be very careful because it is a boiled water. Now the measurement is, since I took 3 cups of this rice soaked, I have used 6 cups of water. I boiled it and mixed it in this. Now some of them use vegetable cubes, but I am not going to use. The natural flavor of encourage the natural flavor of the vegetables. Now keep it on high flame till it boils a little. Now you see it boiling, reduce the flame to sim Cover it and leave it for 15 minutes. It will be done. I'll come back to it. "15 minutes are over. It has been done. Look. The right amount of water has been used. Garnish it with little coriander. It's done. I'll put it off. And I'll serve it. Garnish it with coriander. Done. I'll serve it now. You just see the grains how they come. Right amount of water is very important. Lovely. I'm sweating, Look, the pulao is ready. This is vegetable pulao. Lovely it is. My dear viewers, you please prepare it, eat it, enjoy it, and you will really comment on my cooking today. Okay, thank you.